Hi, so today I'm going to be cooking this. Yes, so let's get started. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. This is shredded fish, this is water leaf, this is ugu, this is pepper and onions, and lastly this is locust beans. Locust beans is packed with vitamin A. It's very good for the eyes, so I'm going to use plenty of it. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to pour in some palm oil, and this is it. Okay, so now the next thing is to add the pepper. Okay, so the onions, and then the locust beans now. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this to fry for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna add the shredded fish. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm adding some seasoning cubes, a pinch of salt. So give it a stir, and then I'm gonna leave it to cook for like a minute. Cover it up and let it simmer up for like a minute. Alright, so it's been over a minute now. So now I'm adding the water leaf. No need to add water into the stew. This is because the water leaf itself brings out water naturally. So that is the reason why I did not add water to my stew at all. So I'm giving it a good stir. Now when you leave this to cook for a few seconds, you're going to notice the water. You see the water will come out very well. Alright, so guys, you can see the water bubbling already. Can you see it? I didn't add a single water to this. This is lovely. So now is the right time to add the ugu leaves. So now I'm leaving it for like 30 seconds. Aha! The beautiful vegetable soup is ready. It's ready to be served with amala, semo, eba, tuwo,